There's a person out here now. 194. Hey, what's going on, man?
Good.
Did you hear any gunshots or anything like that?
Last update.
No? You care to take your hand out of your pocket for me?
On November the 12th, 2022, at approximately 1 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to 690 Kingsford Drive on a call about shots fired. Officers were dispatched to that same location 3 other times in the previous 7 hours on the same call. The officers arrived on scene and located Mr. Lamar Blue, then asked if he was aware of the reported gunfire. Mr. Blue then revealed that he was concealing a shotgun behind his back, pointed it towards the officers, and began to fire. Officer Payne Vantelberg was standing in the doorframe of wagon 158, using the door as concealment. Lamar Blue fired at least 1 round of birdshot at the officer, striking the vehicle inches from the officer's head. Officer Vantelberg returned fire, striking Lamar Blue, who then fled the scene. The officers gave chase and located Mr. Blue moments later, then saved his life using a chest seal that the officers purchased with their own money. According to Columbus Police Chief Elaine Bryant, this was an ambush, and it was the second time in a few days that Columbus police officers have been ambushed. In the words of Assistant Chief Greg Bodker, the officers were forced to go from guardians to warriors to medics in just a few moments.
Just want to see if there's anything she needs. Drop the gun! Drop the gun! 158, shots fired. He's got a shotgun. He's taking off behind 690.
Hey, stay covered, stay covered.
158, 10-3.
There's a person out here now.
194.
Hey, what's going on, man?
Good.
Did you hear any gunshots or anything like that?
Last update.
No? You care to take your hand out of your pocket for me? Hey! Hey!
Hey! 158, shots fired. He's got a shotgun.
191, I'm party 1 Victor, Avenue 190.
Hey, stay covered, stay covered.
Copy.
7198, you need K9 out there.
10-3, 10-3, shots fired, Kingsford.
690 Kingsford, 10-3.
He's got a shotgun. We've all tied him. Took off. He's bound behind, I believe. No black, all black. Had a shotgun. We don't see him.
L3 is a chopper.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. You hit it?
No. You good?
Fucking hell.
Okay, dude.
Just stay here. Stay under cover.
Yeah.
Walk back. Walk back.
Yeah. Get back here. Oh, he's running. He's over here.
Where?
Over here. 158. It looks like he's running westbound towards Wedgwood. Westbound towards Wedgwood.
Running towards Redwood.
Hey, be careful. Tie these off. Tie these off.
What is this?
I don't
What
know.
is this? We lost him behind
675.
675. All black, all black.
All black.
Copy 675, male black, all black.
Move with me.
Yep.
Come back, move with me.
Yep.
675 Kingsford or Wedgwood? I'm on Wedgwood.
Kingsford.
Hey, get back inside.
L3, I'm going to have perimeter Wedgwood on the north, just south of Sullivan.
Copy.
What is it?
Get K9 started this way.
Where at?
K9 to 3.
We can't see him from here. Can you see him?
Hey, we're gonna come around to you.
I'll stay
L3,
here.
just to verify.
Make sure you stay behind there.
Did any of our officers shoot?
Cruiser going north on Kingsford. Come back here. Break the building. My cruiser's on the side of the building.
You got him right here, Sarge.
CTV is my head.
So, I saw him come around the corner and touch down behind the SUV.
That's
I didn't see
15
if he had
repeat.
anything on his hand.
108 PTV has been hit on the passenger side.
Okay, the vehicle, not the officer, correct?
Yeah, 8 for here.
Hey.
105, stay with me. I ran all this up without my body camera.
Hey, Van Tilburg, can you hear me? He's supposed to be on the other side of this black SUV.
Behind you, blue, blue, blue.
Yeah, watch. If you have your rifle, go grab it.
104 description one more time.
Go wide around that dumpster.
Mel black, dreads,
Go wide
all
around
black.
the dumpster, Vince.
Is there anybody watching on
Check
the
this.
side?
Check low if you want. Make sure he's not.
Yeah, I'll keep you over here to the left.
Dick, you think we can make it to that dumpster and look? You got good cover over there. More than this car is.
Standing down behind a blue Honda CRV.
Yeah,
keep over there.
yeah, Van
There's one up
Tilburg.
on the other side. Watch out.
Watch.
We got crossfire.
Yeah, we're in cross. Watch cross! We gotta move.
They got the angle.
Yeah, we better just back up.
Yeah.
Shit, did he run? No, stay back, stay back. Yep.
Great to this car, is everything okay?
Keep the air clear.
191, we got one down. 43. Start a medic.
Copy. 15 for the
Alright, get tape up!
main officer support.
Get some tape up, get a scene going! Guns over there, watch it.
Right in the center mass, center mass.
Payne, where you at? Payne.